Hi everyone, this is Nancy with Stamping Before Anything Else, and today is Monday, and we are here to do another 5-minute card. And I already got some supplies set out, so let's get started. We're going to be needing Coastal Cabana and Granny Apple Green for our inks, and then our daubers, of course. We have ours labeled. We need some dimensionals, our adhesive. This is the new designer series paper that you can get for free with a $50 purchase till the end of this month, March 31st, 2020. And what I did ahead of time is I cut out a section of it just so you didn't have to sit and watch me fussy cut. I took a scrap piece of Whisper White, took out, die cut a circle and a scalloped in the Bermuda Bay. You're going to need a small piece of Whisper White, designer series paper. You're going to need Whisper White. Our card base under here is 4 1/4 by 11. Then it's scored at 2 3/4 and 5 1/2. We need another piece of Bermuda Bay, which is 10 inches by 2 3/4. Then it's scored at 4 3/4 and 7 1/2. I'm just going to give these a quick burnish. So first thing first is we're going to put this on the inside. We're going to take one of our designer series page pieces and put it on here. Next, we're going to take this piece is going to go on here like so. So we're going to put our little Whisper White right on here. And we are going to have directions posted with all the measurements, so be sure to check for those. Now on this piece right here is where we're going to put our other designer series paper. Next, we're going to adhere this to the inside, so when this lays, it's going to lay really nice like that. All right, so what I'm doing is I'm just kind of lining this up. What we're going to do is we're going to put a little bit of tape on this piece right here, and I'm only putting some on this part right here because it's going to adhere on there. All right, just kind of line it up, make sure it's even around here, here, and these edges. Now for this one, we're going to do the same. We're going to put tape on here, close it. I usually fold it up and then I just close it. Now that we got it adhered, we can just press it down. So there's our Z fold, or double Z fold. All right, next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our ink. We're going to set this off to the side, open up our ink, and we're just going to do a little bit of sponge daubing on the flower, add a little accent color. Okay, now usually what I do is I just dab it in there. See how much I'm getting on there. I think my pad needs to be re-inked. And start in the middle and just work your way out, working in a big circle. Now we're going to do our Granny Apple Green. We're going to take some tape, layer it onto our scallop circle, like so. And then what we're going to do is we're going to just pop this up on dimensionals. There we go. Simple. Look how quick that was. Very easy, very simple, fun fold. Again, this is going to bounce up like that, but the more you go through and crease these down, the more it'll sit down for you. So I hope you enjoyed this card. And if you have, please give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more cards like this in the future. For measurements, visit our blog in the description below. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.